Practice exercise 1, consonant sounds. Go back to the chart and practice pronouncing the consonant sounds of American English. Once you feel comfortable, digitally record yourself reading aloud all the sounds. Then compare yourself to the native speaker. Identify which sounds are more difficult for you and make an effort to concentrate more on the lessons teaching those sounds. Practice exercise 2, reading aloud. In this exercise, you will read a paragraph aloud. It is suggested that you read the paragraph silently for meaning. Then you'll make a digital recording as you read the paragraph aloud. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. Pay particular attention to the consonant sounds in each word. Pause the video now. Next, listen to a native speaker read the same paragraph and try to determine what words or sounds you're having difficulty pronouncing. Finally, listen to a voice recording during which you will read along with the speaker. You have successfully completed this exercise when you're able to read along with the speaker at the same pace without too many stumbles or stutters. John Adams was born in Braintree, now Quincy, Massachusetts, on October 30, 1735 in a small salt box house still standing and open to visitors. His father, John Adams, a deacon and a fifth-generation Massachusetts farmer, and his mother, the former Susanna Boylston, were, their son wrote, both fond of reading. So they resolved to give bookishly inclined John a good education. He became the first of his family to go to college when he entered Harvard in 1751. There, and in 6 further years of intensive reading while he taught school and studied law in Worcester and Boston, he mastered the technicalities of his profession and the literature and learning of his day. By 1762, when he began 14 years of increasingly successful legal practice, he was well-informed, ambitious, and public-spirited.